Hello and welcome to CENOS version 2.5 release webinar. In this webinar, we will go over the main updates included in this version, and after that, we will also have a Q&A session for questions first about this release, and after that about CENOS in general. So what's new? With the new release, we have further simplified the physics definitions of separate domains. If previously you needed to manually define both the type of analysis you want to carry out and also choose the domain type, then now you can simply select the domain role corresponding with your domain. For example, for the part you want to heat, you would choose the domain role of workpiece, and the previously mentioned definitions will be filled in automatically. We have also added the possibility to calculate heating in stranded coils. If previously temperature was possible to calculate only in conventional inductors, then now you can calculate coil heating if you are also using the stranded coil domain, which further increases CENOS' ability to analyze and troubleshoot stranded coil and Litz-wire inductor designs. In CENOS version 2.5, we have also improved some of our existing functions. In this version, we have improved the inductor result visualization. If previously, when inductor heating was calculated, you needed to manually visualize the temperature distribution in the inductor, then now it is being done automatically, meaning that you will see the temperature in the inductor as soon as the results are presented. Now you can dynamically interact with the preview window in ways you couldn't before. If previously in the preview window you could only move your model around, then now you can actually click on a separate part of it, for example, the workpiece, and you will be automatically redirected to the physics definitions of that part. If you are using from CAD approach, then now you can actually see the surfaces of your boundary conditions being highlighted in the preview window once you hover over them in the physics definitions. This makes it a lot more easier to define the physics and see on which surfaces specific boundary conditions are being used. We not only develop and introduce new functions, but also pay close attention to maintaining the work of the existing ones. So with version 2.5, we have also noted and fixed multiple bugs. We have fixed a bug related to the time steps missing in ParaView if it was opened from a state file. We have also fixed the surface impedance boundary condition, as previously it presented an error when used, and we also adjusted the working of the BH curve, as the results it produced in the previous version were a little off. We also corrected the functionality of scanning, resolved a problem with the newly introduced domain roles not being saved correctly, adjusted the magnetic force value calculation when using 3D, and also fixed the external links in CENOS which previously weren't opened in a browser. So these were the updates and news of CENOS version 2.5. We are working to deliver the best solution for induction heating system simulations. So if you have any ideas or wishes for additional functionality improvements, give us a call and maybe we will include these improvements in our future updates. So thanks for your attention, and now we can switch to the question part.